In today's video, I'm going to show you how to animate on Canva. So if you found this video helpful, please consider like and subscribing. First, I open Canva on my PC, so I can choose anything. So here are the type. Example purpose, I select this man. Okay, example purpose, this person. You can add anyone. It's no matter. Now just select this element, then click on this animate. That's it. So here's the lots of tons of features you can add. This one, oh, with shape or TV, and both you can customize your own way. Once you have done, just click on share button, then click on download, then download as MP4 video. When it downloads, okay, I'm trying to download its MP4, then it's practical. I'm going to show you how to animate and it's working or not working. Okay, I open this one on my PC. The first few seconds you can see it's animate. Thanks for watching. See you again.